Okay, next one, let's take a look at dynamic routes. And the dynamic routes, that's like when you don't know what exactly segment name and you don't know which file to render, then we can use the dynamic router. That's like if we use a square bracket on the folder, and that can actually match the segment here. So let's take a look at the code. So here, right, block, and if we look at the folder called block, and we have a slack, we have a square bracket here, and a page, and in the page we're gonna show the whatever segment is. So let's just take a look at this. Okay, let's say we're going to block, and we just say whatever ABC. As you can see, we can get the segment here because we don't know what's user gonna put in here, but we are able to get the segment by using this get from param, and we just say slack. That slack gonna be match the folder name here. That's the one way. And what if the user put in many slacks and we are not able to get that? As you can see, there's a error, we didn't find this file. So instead using that, we can have different way to do that. That's an example. We can have 3 dots before the folder name and in a square bracket. So let's say we are on post, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6. As you can see, that's gonna be a array here. Let's take a look at the code. As you can see, the same way, exactly same compared to blocks, and we are able to get the segment. We can get many segments here, and that's that we're gonna show that's gonna be a array here. We can do just more than 2, we can do 4. We are able to get all segments. What if there's another situation is that what if we don't have segment here? As you can see, we're not able to get the page. So the solution for this is we can have two curly braces. Let's say if we visit article, as you can see, that's the code is exactly compared to blocks and the post, and they just we use 2 square bracket here, and we are able to find a page, and there's no cause error, and it's gonna have same effect as with the post and the block. If we put a segment here, it's able to get this segment. They can get more than 1 segment. You can see we can print out segment that also can deal with when user doesn't put any segments here. So that's the 3 different way of the dynamic route we have. We can handle the one with 1 segment, we can handle one with the multiple segment, and we can also handle the one without any segment. Okay.